Can I have it? Yes, of course.
Cheers. Wag mong biglain. Umano ka nito?
Becomes always amber, and many people think that it's amber because of clay, but no, it's getting this color because it has the contact with the skins. It's fermented together. That's why we have two different colors, and it's also very different in the taste. In Query we have more intense, more strong flavor aromas than the classical European style. Okay, this is for you.
So the apple is not from the trees?
No, it's from the skins.
Skins.
Yes. The grape called Soligori from west part of Georgia, which you have the classic, right? Yeah, classic.
Ito yung walang skin.
Yeah, Soligori, the grape, sorry, made with the classical
Tatlo,
European
40.
style and made with the traditional method.
There are three.
Yes, three, yeah. From both of them from 2022 with 12.5% alcohol, and it goes well with the grilled fish and the grilled vegetables. This wine is perfect for the summer.
Thank you.
Masarap.
How do you say cheers?
Gaumarjos.
Gold?
Gaumarjos.
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 Cheers tayong lahat.
Gamajos.
Can I have it? Yes, of course.
Ayo, tema ko.
Cheers. Wag mong biglain. Umano ka nito. Umano ka nito. Tumikim ka nito. Kumuha ka ng toothpick. Eh, ano mo. Wag mo kamayin. Kuha ka ng toothpick. Itusok mo. Hindi naman ganyan ang pag-inom. Talaga sa ano talaga. Tama na.